What if I told you na merong lugar sa South na hindi lang magandang tirhan, kundi isa po ito sa pinaka-strategic real estate investments today. This is not just another development, it's a master plan city. Stay with me and I will show you why Metro Nuvali is one of the best places to invest right now. Hi there, I'm Jenilyn Deligos, The Elegance Estate. Tutulungan kitang makahanap ng dream home or investment property na swak sa lifestyle mo at secure sa property value. With Ayala Land behind Metro Nuvali, alam naman natin na maayos ang development, safe ang investment mo at may potential na lumago ng mas malaki in the future. Lalo na kung si Ayala ang developer na alam naman natin na maayos, trusted at siguradong tataas ang value ng property. Kaya manood ka hanggang dulo kasi ipapakita ko sa iyo kung bakit Metro Nuvali is the smartest choice para sa bahay at investment mo na nandito po tayo ngayon para makita mo dito. We've launched Metro Nuvali, the future BGC of Nuvali, with a more relaxed, greener lifestyle. So ganito po siya kaganda pag natapos. Kaya ngayon, ito na po yung tamang panahon para mag-invest. Kung maalala nyo po, ang BGC in the early 2000s, nagsimula lang po siya noon. So maraming nag-hesitate. Pero yung mga nag-invest, sila po yung sobrang laki na ng kinita. Noon, maraming nagsabi na sayang lang ang BGC. Ngayon, isa na po siya sa pinakamahal na lugar sa Pilipinas. That same moment is happening again. This time, dito na po sa Metro Nuvali. Relax, lifestyle and modern city planning and long-term growth. So pag fully developed na po ito, prices will follow the same pattern we saw in BGC. Something big is happening here in Nuvali. So let me share with you the latest and most exciting updates. So I introduce you the newest lane of Ayala's Central Business District in the Rising South, Metro Nuvali. I'll be sharing with you lahat about dito sa Metro Nuvali. Pero before natin para pag-usapan yan, let me share with you the estate's detail, existing establishments at ongoing developments dito sa Nuvali para mas gets nyo kung gaano kalaki yung potential ng area. Nuvali is the largest development and eco-city by Ayala Lands. So it's located in Santa Rosa, Calamba, and Cabuyao, Laguna. Nuvali spans 2,500 hectares. That's twice the size of Makati and 10 times bigger than BGC. Kaya hindi lang siya ordinary community, it's a self-sustaining city in the south. Built for families who want balance, growth, and green living. At para mas organized ang development, Nuvali is divided into 4 main segments. We have Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and Nuvali Heights. Currently, we are here in Nuvali North, the main commercial hub of Nuvali North, and located din po ito in Metro Nuvali. Metro Nuvali is a 200-hectare central business district representing the next exciting chapters of Ayala Land's Central Business District. Strategically positioned in the Rising South and envisioned as the next BGC in the making. Ganito rin po siya nagsimula ang BGC noon. Mga green grasses, bakanting lote, at iilan lang po yung mga developments pa lang. Pero tignan nyo ang BGC ngayon. Diba? Isa na siya sa pinaka-prime business district sa bansa. Ngayon, punong-puno na po siya ng mga high-end offices, luxury condos, and international brands at world-class lifestyle hubs. Ngayon, na-reveal na po natin ang Nuvali Master Plan na mas malinaw na kung gaano kaganda ang future ng buong estate. Ang maganda po dito, lahat tayo makikinabang sa development na ito. So lahat po ng nakakuha ng property dito sa Nuvali, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. This development will bring you opportunities and overtime. So tuloy-tuloy ang appreciation ng value po dito. At kung nag-iisip ka pa lang, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Kaka-launch pa lang ng Metro Nuvali habang bakanting lote pa siya at hindi pa fully developed. Metro Nuvali is just getting started. Habang blank canvas pa siya, dito po magsisimula ang mga success stories. Ano nga ba ang Metro Nuvali? So ito po yung intentional master plan na may 3 main districts. So bawat isa may mga unique purpose po ito. So we have Lakeside District na merong lifestyle at leisure. We have also then the Central District na merong business at commercial core. And then the last is yung Civic District na merong mga government, culture at community hub. Ang Lakeside District ay hindi lang po siya isang strategically planned na 100-hectare lifestyle hub na magsisilbing pangunahing destination po dito sa Metro Nuvali. With a man-made lake as its centerpiece, the district will feature promenades, lifestyle, retails, and dining green parks at event venues na magpapaangat ng foot traffic at community engagement. Sa completion naman po ng project, ma-enjoy naman po natin yung koi fish feeding at boat riding. So perfect po ito para sa mga families at community bonding. Ang Nuvali Lakeside ay kasalukuyan sumasailalim po siya sa Ayala Lands Replanning upang masigurong sustainable at long-term ang development. So ito po yung magbibigay ng strong lifestyle appeal at value appreciation sa mga surrounding properties. So yung target completion po neto is by the last quarter of 2026. Ang Lakeside District ay isa ng active lifestyle at commercial zone dito sa Metro Nuvali. So narito po ang Ayala Mall Solinad 1, 2 at 3. At ongoing construction na rin po ang Ayala Mall Solinad 4 na ngayon ay kilala na po bilang Ayala Malls Nuvali. So located din po ito yung Seda Hotel para sa leisure of business stays. Andyan din po ang Ayala Land Offices, Museum for Architecture and Residences, Landers at SNR, sa at yung mga standalone big box retail stores tulad ng Jollibee, McDonald's, Coffee Bean Tea Leaf at Uniqlo. Kaya perfect po talaga ang Lakeside District para sa mga shopping, dining at leisure banding. And then ang main access naman po dito ay yung Nuvali Boulevard at Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, kaya very accessible po ito. And our next district is the Central District, a 40-hectare area designed to serve as the business and commercial core of Metro Nuvali. Ito ang magiging economic heart ng Metro Nuvali na kung saan matatagpuan ang mga offices, corporate hubs at commercial spaces. So dito rin po ilalagay yung mga office towers, corporate hubs at commercial developments na magge-generate ng employment at investments. So dito rin po posibleng itayo ang mga mid-rise buildings, schools, high-end condos at hospitals, plus yung 3 hectares Central Park na connected po sa East Block Garden. Strategically located po ito at accessible via Nuvali Boulevard at Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. And now, the last district of Metro Nuvali, the Civic District, spanning 60 hectares, so ito po ay dinisenyo para sa everyday convenience at long-term value. Dito planong itayo yung church na magsisilbing spiritual center ng community. Noong March 2025, in-announce din po yung pagtayo po ng isang 2-hectare civic complex na maglalaman po ng sports complex, one-stop shop government offices, satellite city hall, command center, education hub, convention center, and hotel. Ibig sabihin, mas convenient ang buhay sa Nuvali dahil lahat ng essential services at community activities ay nandito na po sa Civic District. Bukod pa rito, magkakaroon po tayo ng additional access papuntang Tagaytay via Kasili Tagaytay Road. So, bukod sa main Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road para sa mas maayos na travel at connectivity. So, that's it. For the 3 district of Metro Nuvali, this is a development that's truly accelerating growth in the South. Metro New Valley represents a new era with greater connectivity, a strategic location near major highways, future-ready road networks, and green corridors that support sustainable urban living. Dahil dito, parami na po ng parami ang mga investors at business locators na nagre-relocate at naglalagak ng mga investment dito sa New Valley. Nakikita kasi nila yung long-term potential ng lugar. Metro New Valley is not just a development. It's a future-ready central business district in the making. Hindi lang po ito tungkol sa magandang track record ng Ayala Land, kundi sa isang future-ready master plan na subok na po talaga. So, tignan nyo naman po yung Makati at BGC noon. Puro mga bakanting lupa pa lang yan noon. Pero nung dinevelop po ito ni Ayala, sumunod po yung mga malalaking kumpanya at investors. Why? Because they trust Ayala's vision. Kaya ngayon, ganito rin yung makikita natin sa market ng Metro New Valley. Kaya kung gusto nyo pong mag-expand ng business, mag-relocate, or kahit mag-retire po dito sa isang well-planned community, this is the right place and the right time. Now, let me guide you kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-invest. Mapalote man yan, house and lot, condo, marami po tayong options po dito sa New Valley. Let's take a quick drive tour to explore the projects and communities starting here at Metro New Valley Civic District. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Rotonda. So yung first exit po neto is Casillo Road. Na-connect po siya sa New Valley, Tagaytay. So around 15 to 20 minutes lang, nasa Highlands ka na. So yung second exit naman po papuntang New Valley Central. Makikita po agad natin yung guardhouse. So New Valley has 2 levels of security. So yung una is yung estate security na umiikot po sa buong Ayala Estate. And yung pangalawa naman po is yung community security na sa bawat subdivision kaya super secured po talaga dito. As we go further inside, New Valley Central is makikilala po natin siya dito sa right side. So andito po yung central block. So isa po itong 12 hectares commercial area na that will soon serve as the next lifestyle and retail hub here in New Valley. Isa po ito sa mga exciting updates and ongoing construction na rin po yung Mary Mart at the shops. In-envision po ito ni Ayala Land na maging parang Alabang Town Center. Pero this time, right inside New Valley. Lalo na sa mga residents ng New Valley Central. Para kang may sariling city center na right outside your home. Ngayon, puntahan po natin ang isa sa mga pwede po natin pag-investisan dito sa New Valley, yung Solara Park Stories New Valley. Makikita po ito sa isang strategic location at malapit po ito mismo sa Xavier School. Kaya ideal po ito para sa mga families at long-term investors. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Solara Park Stories New Valley. So, ito po yung first pet-friendly and mid-rise condominium po dito sa New Valley. This development sits on a 1.7 hectares property with a total of 3 residential towers. As you can see, top of na po ang Tower 1. Patunay na kung gaano kabilis mag-build ang Ayala Land. So ito ay dahil ang project ay 100% fully budgeted at hindi po ito umaasa sa collections ng buyers. Kaya very secure ang development. So yung turnover po ng project ay by the last quarter of 2027. So each tower will have 16 floors at lahat po ng mga units ay may mga sarili pong balcony. Sa ngayon, ang mga available units na lang po natin ay yung studio with balcony with a total contract price na nag-start po siya from 5.3 million. Dahil nga po sa pre-selling pa, maaari niyo po itong i-avail sa payment terms up to 42 months. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng passive income, very ideal po ito dahil pwede niyo po itong paupahan, long-term, or ipa-Airbnb, lalo na kung located po ito sa loob ng New Valley at malapit po ito sa schools at key developments. So, let's move on naman po tayo sa townhouse options. Andito po tayo ngayon sa Amaya Series New Valley. It's a 12.92 hectares residential development. Currently, may available units po tayo dito with a floor area of 65 square meters and ang lot area naman po is 60 square meters. So ideal po ito para sa mga starting families at first-time home buyers. Ang total contract price naman po nito is 5.8 million at dahil may mga ongoing promo po tayo, maaari nyo po itong i-avail as low as 8,000 per month after 10% spot down payment. Kaya kung gusto naman po ninyo ng end unit, mas malaki ang space at mas private ang settings po nito. Yung lot area naman po nito is 65 square meters up to 85 square meters. So yung floor area naman po is 65 square meters. Ang total contract price naman po nito is 7.2 million at maaari nyo po itong i-avail as low as 10,000 per month and after 10% spot down payment. So subject po ito sa promo terms. And this is a great option if you're looking for a budget-friendly home within Nuvali with Ayala quality and long-term value. So nandito naman po tayo ngayon sa Nuvali Boulevard. So papunta naman po tayo sa mga residential communities na located po siya sa Nuvali South. As you can see, elevated na po yung mga road at paakyat po ng paakyat. So which is part of Nuvali's Master Plan Road Network. So bago po tayo makarating sa Nuvali South, yung pinakatumbok po neto is yung T-Road na meron pong plan na 10 hectares alfresco mall na itatayo. So isa po ito sa mga magagandang plano ng Nuvali. Yung bawat district is may sarili po siyang commercial center. Kaya kung may property ka dito sa Nuvali South, hindi mo na kailangan pang pumunta ng Soledad dahil nga meron ka ng sariling mall na malapit sa iyo. Sobrang convenient po lahat para po sa mga daily needs at commercial activities. At ang dagdag pa neto, yung value appreciation po dito sa area. So let's go naman po sa Crisela. So dito naman po sa Crisela, madadaanan po natin yung Everest Academy at yung pinakamalapit po sa kanya yung Miriam College. Kaya very ideal po ito for families with school-going kids. Andito po tayo ngayon sa actual site ng Crisela Nuvali. Although hindi pa tayo masyadong makakapasok sa loob dahil nga sa landed at ongoing construction pa po yung development po dito. So ang maganda po dito, it's a 13.5 hectares lang yung buong community. Kaya low density subdivision po ito. So ibig sabihin, konti lang po kayong magkakapit bahay. So mas tahimik at mas exclusive. Mataas din po yung elevation ng area. So, yung range po niya is from 199 to 225 meters above sea level. Kaya may mga scenic views ka na rin po ng Mount Makiling, Laguna de Bay at Tagaytay Ridge. So, yung mga ino-offer naman po namin dito is yung mga house and lot package at lot only options. And may mga ongoing promos din po tayo na available. This is a great option if you are looking for a premium, peaceful, and elevated living experience within Nuvali. And guys, good news po, magkakaroon po tayo ng bagong residential community dito sa Nuvali, which is Astor Lane Settings Nuvali. Malapit lang po ito sa Crisela Nuvali at tulad po nito, mataas din po yung elevation from ang range po nito is 210 to 225 meters above sea level kaya mas presko yung hangin at maganda yung paligid. And may mga lot only at house and lot package din po tayo dito. Para sa lot only, ang sizes po is from 125 meters to 200 square meters po. At dahil introductory pricing pa po tayo, maaari nyo po ito i-avail as low as 12,000 per month. So para naman po sa mga house and lot, we offer 3-bedroom units with 2 toilet and bath na pwede mo po siyang ma-avail as low as 23,000 per month with payment terms na up to 42 months. And now, kung gusto nyo naman po yung mas mabilis na turnover or near RFO options, meron din po tayo dito sa Aberdeen Estates Nuvali. Ang turnover completion po neto is by the last quarter of 2026. So meron pa tayong mga lot-only options na ang range po is from 158 to 241 square meters with prices starting at 7 million. Kung house and lot naman po yung hanap nyo, available din po yung Erin at Solea models. Although limited na lang po yung mga units po dito. Katapat lang din po ng Aberdeen ang Southdale Settings Nuvali na near turnover na po with the target completion by the second quarter of 2026. So dito naman po sa Southdale, may mga lot-only options din po tayo from 128 to 174 square meters with prices starting at 5.7 million. So meron din po tayo mga house and lot package. So perfect din po ito para sa mga starting families with pricing start naman po at 10 million. So for both Aberdeen Estates at Southdale Settings Nuvali, ang payment term po neto is up to 24 months. These communities are ideal kung gusto nyo po ng faster move-in and secured yung investment at Ayala quality living dito sa Nuvali. So those are the communities and projects na ino-offer po namin na perfect po ito for investment or for retirement. So dito po sa Nuvali, hindi lang po kayo bumibili ng isang property. Ang binibili nyo po ninyo is yung buong master plan Ayala Development, and isa po itong lugar na may maayos na urban planning, strong infrastructure at mapayapang community. Nuvali is a place where you can grow your investment, build your future, and enjoy a balanced and peaceful lifestyle. So that's our Nuvali tour. Thank you for joining me today. If you're looking to invest, relocate, or retire, Nuvali offers more than just a property. It offers a peaceful, future-ready community by Ayala Land. Thank you, and I'll be happy to assist you here in Nuvali. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for more updates. For those who want to get in touch with me, you can send me a message through my Viber or WhatsApp. That's it 0927-378-0178, or through my Facebook page, that is The Elegance Estate, Ayala Land by Jenilyn Deligos. Once again, this is me, Jenilyn Deligos, The Elegance Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South.